Today I'm going to be unboxing the Apple Watch Series 8. Series 8 Starlight aluminum case, Starlight sport band in 41mm, small/medium bracelet. And I actually thought that the medium large would actually fit me better, but unfortunately my Walmart does not have it. I decided to just get the small medium. Actual watch itself, this is the band, colorful type paper casing. So I just have these peel tabs on both sides. I'm gonna rip those down. This is so satisfying. I absolutely love unboxing anything basically. It comes in this paper type case. Oh, and then the back says 41mm on it too. Ooh. Oh, that's such a pretty color. A speaker here, and there's the dial right here, and if you just rotate it, it kind of just goes like that. And then there's a power button right here, and then I'm guessing that's the microphone. And this is the back, paper stuff. So this is the steps. Open your band box, follow the steps to attach your band to your Apple Watch. Put on your Apple Watch, press and hold the side button to turn it on. Follow the steps on the screen to set up. To learn more, open the Tips app on your iPhone. Charger. Oh yeah, I was thinking it would be USB-C, which it is. So yeah, USB-C on one end. And then on the other end, it's just kind of like a MagSafe type thing. Yeah, so it just sticks on like that. Pretty secure, I guess. This is the actual sport band itself that goes on your wrist. So I'm going to take the pull tab here, just pull it off. I think if you buy it directly from Apple, I'm pretty sure that it will come in two sizes, small/medium as well as the medium/large. But because I got this from Walmart, it only comes in one size, so you have to choose either small/medium or medium/large. You'll put this out. Plastic covering it or something. These are the little straps for your wrist. It'll fit me still, but I'm gonna be on the bigger side because my wrist is, I think, 160mm. Yeah, so I'm just gonna put this on the bottom. And then you'll hear a little bit of a click when it's in place. And then another one. The button part is gonna be on the top, bottom. I decided to put the holes on the bottom. Yeah, and then you just put this little part here. You slip it into that. Okay, so English, region, United States. There you go. Open the Apple Watch app on your iPhone and tap Start Pairing. I'm in the Apple Watch app. Start Pairing. I'm gonna set up for myself. Hold up with the camera. It just told me to enter a new passcode, which I'm gonna do right now. Select your preferred reading experience. I think right in the middle. I'm really excited for Apple Pay. Obviously, I've paid it for my phone before, but I've never paid it for a watch, so that's really something that's new to me. I think I like the list view better because it makes more sense to find things. heart rate is currently 92 beats per minute. That's super cool. Okay. 5-second timer. I'm gonna search up like Pizza Hut. Oh, that's so cute. I'm seeing how it's reacting to my finger touches. Oh. Okay, directions. Get walking directions. I just have the whatever standard color. So on my actual iPhone, I have this here. So for this, it actually shows what my battery percentage is on my Apple Watch. Swipe back up. Oh, it has a flashlight. That's cool. I also got these smart watch cases off of Amazon. They're just these protectors. They're like $4 for 2 of these. One of them is clear and the other one is black. They're just screen protectors. This is actually made of glass. And then the sides, I think they're made of plastic. You just peel this and then you just stick it on here. This one's the clear one. This one is the black one. I'll have a link in the description if you're interested in these. My iPhone case is actually like this very, very similar color to the band, which is super cute. My case is from Amazon. It's $12. I'll also link this in the description box below. Look at that color match. So pretty. Thanks for watching.